Introducing Patrick Wells and the world's best milkshake. All right, Patrick is making an Oreo milkshake with chocolate milk, which is simply the best combination. He's starting with the Oreos. He puts in 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now that he has that, he's going to go ahead and add the liquid. So we go Oreos liquid. Let's get a visual on the amount. As you can see, you are going for right there. So look at that, it's under half, somewhere between a third and a half, but you're not at the halfway point. The liquid goes in, and using that same cup, you're now going to scoop the ice cream. What a lovely scoop of ice cream. It almost made it in the cup.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
And another. And you'll notice, as he's laughing, that it basically fills up the cup. You're not going too skimpy on the ice cream, but you're making sure it comes all the way to the top of the cup. And then sometimes you'll have to kind of shake the cup a little bit to get all of it into the blender. There he goes. Now, he's going to put the lid on the blender. Nice and snug, just like we did in the smoothie video. The key to this is you're not pressing the first button. We're going to turn this so you can see it. You are pressing the pulse. So he's pressing the top pulse button. Either one's fine. He's pressing the top pulse, getting that initial blend. He did that for a few seconds, about 6 or 7. Now he's going to give it a shake in between. It is a milkshake after all. So back to the pulse. Few seconds on that. And 1, 2, stops, 1, 2. So a series of low pulses. Another shake, and your milkshake is done. It is not about over blending. It's about the consistency. It's about the thickness. It is about the